4.7 billion years after the collapse of a dying star, a new celestial body begins to form. The pressure within the nebular disk exceeds 500 million atmospheres, fusing carbon and gold into vaporized metal. Temperature surges to 12,000 degrees Celsius, enough to melt every known element into plasma. Gravity concentrates these elements into a single molten core, roughly 9,200 kilometers in diameter. The surface radiates energy equal to 3.4 times 10 to the 16th watts, brighter than a newborn sun. Within its atmosphere, hydrogen and helium have burned away, leaving pure metallic vapor. The world cools rapidly. In less than 60,000 years, molten gold solidifies into crystal veins. Diamond crystals begin to form under pressures of 800 million atmospheres. The planet stabilizes at a diameter of 10,800 kilometers, smaller than Earth, yet far denser. Surface gravity measures 3.2 times that of Earth, capable of crushing steel in seconds. No atmosphere remains. The winds of its birth have stripped it bare. The surface reflects 98% of incoming light, making it one of the brightest objects in its system. Subsurface temperatures linger near 4,000 degrees Celsius, heat trapped since its violent birth. Over 70% of its mass is pure gold, interlaced with crystalline carbon lattices. No organic compound has ever been detected. The planet is utterly sterile. Its rotational period lasts 48 Earth hours, creating prolonged cycles of burning and freezing. Surface temperatures range from plus 980 degrees Celsius on the day side to minus 260 degrees Celsius on the night side. Magnetic readings indicate a faint pulse, remnants of the dead core's rotation. The planet emits a constant low-frequency hum, 0.002 hertz, too deep for any ear to hear. Thus, the world of gold and diamonds stands silent, a monument born from fire and death. Beneath a crust, 85 kilometers thick, lies the inner core, a chamber of frozen plasma and metallic pressure. Pressure here reaches 700 million atmospheres, enough to fuse carbon into new crystal structures. The temperature remains at 6,200 degrees Celsius, too hot for any solid, too cold for true plasma. Seismic sensors detect a recurring pulse every 52.3 seconds. Rhythmic, persistent, unexplained. The amplitude of each tremor measures 0.002 millimeters, smaller than an atom's width. These vibrations release bursts of electromagnetic energy, 1.3 times 10 to the 8th joules each cycle. The pulse is neither seismic nor magnetic. It behaves more like a heartbeat. Some hypothesize it's the remnant rotation of the planet's ancient progenitor. Others suggest it is a thermoelectrical feedback loop, a self-sustaining resonance of gold and diamond layers. Magnetic flux density peaks at 2.1 Tesla near the core's equator. Thermal imaging shows ring-shaped energy discharges every 47 minutes. At its center lies a cavity, 40 kilometers wide, filled with compressed vaporized gold. Light cannot escape easily, refracting endlessly between diamond walls. Spectral readings indicate periodic flashes of infrared radiation every 21 minutes. The energy is equivalent to the output of 400 nuclear reactors, sustained for billions of years. This steady pulse may have prevented the planet's total collapse. The pulse now weakens, dropping 0.04% each millennium. If the trend continues, the core will cease entirely in 9.2 million years. By then, the planet will become a solid sphere of unbroken crystal and gold, silent forever. For now, its pulse continues, a metallic echo of life that once was.